In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on lower screen brightness when using battery saver on Windows 11. So if you want your screen brightness to be lowered while using the battery saver, for that first of all go to settings, click on the start icon, now click on the settings option. Now after you do that, settings will be opened. In Windows 11, you'll be able to find the option for power and battery, click on it. If you're on Windows 10, simply click on this option system. After you do that, what you have to do is click on this option battery that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings regarding the battery. What you have to do is find this section for battery saver. Now right over here you'll be able to find this option for lower screen brightness while in battery saver. So what you have to do is check on this box. Now whenever you turn on the battery saver, your brightness will be lowered. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you turn on lower screen brightness when using battery saver on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.